How to buy REFERRAL loan token. So this token came under the symbol of a loan. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on with this token, go and check their community on X. As you can see, they have 91 members there. So now this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. Now it keep moving up, as you can see. And this token released 12 hours ago and increased by 600% in the last 24 hours. And now this token, as you can see, it's trending number 11 in the Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet for that. And now, as you can see, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. And now click on your token and click on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click here on swap, and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy a loan token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.